Hi everyone. Okay, so I am going to show you the Victorian cross stitch. So, okay, I have been watching YouTube videos and they're not teaching me anything. I'm not finding a video that is teaching me. So I have been practicing all day and I got it, you guys. I finally got it. So I'm going to show you on my board right here. Whoops, right here. What I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to show you first here, and then I'll show you on the actual cross stitch. So this is your box when you have a cross stitch, right? So you're going to pull up. You always have to pull up on the left hand side because we're going left. I don't know how to go right yet. We're only going left. So we are that car that is broken. Okay, so we are going, you pull up your thread right here, and then you're going to go to this section right here, but you're not going to poke it all the way through. You're going to slide it in to this hole, and I'll show you everything. You slide it into this hole, and then you pull it all the way up. Then you pull your thread all the way up, and then you have it all here, and then you're going to go here and pull it to, let me push that up. Well, so then you're going to go, wait here, let me see. So you're going to go from this hole to the second hole, because then you're going to do it over again, right? This way, second hole. Okay, so it's first hole. Okay, let me see if I can try and do this. Okay, so you have now you always have to start on the left hole, always. And for what I've learned today. Okay, so then you're going to take it into the right hole, like I said. You're going to do it here. I'm trying to do it blindly. Let's see, do I have it? And then you're going to put it in the next hole over, one hole over. Let's see, you guys. Right here, one hole only. See, so I didn't take it out. So here's all my thread. I didn't poke it all the way through. You just put it over. So then now you bring it all the way up. Okay, so now we're all the way up. Now you're on the left top hole. Now you're going to bring it into the right hole, which I hope let's see, it should be right here, right? I think it's right here. Okay, then you're going to skip over that one hole right there, and you're going to go to the next hole. So you're skipping, so you got one hole, top left is one hole, bottom is two holes, because then you got to start your stitch over, right? Because it's always left to right, right to left. So let's see. I hope that's, yep. And then see, so here is your egg. See? Isn't that exciting, you guys? That is the Victorian. So now you start again on the left, right? And now let's poke it through. But you don't go all the way through. You just go a little bit, like just prairie dog it, okay? You're going to prairie dog it. There it is, right there, right? So I'm a great teacher, don't worry. So I'm not near kindergartners. Let's see, one hole only. I hope that's right. It's so tiny, you guys, and so sorry. Okay, so then bring it all the way up. You got your floss. There's your left, right? Because there's your left stitch. Then you're up here on your top. Then you're going to take it to your hole on, let me see, right here. Let me look at the, okay, so then you're going to go right and then go over, see, because that one's empty, right? Because that's where you need to do your left. So you need to go over two holes. Two holes, there you go. Bring it out. Bring it out. And there's your X. Isn't that the coolest thing? And that's how you go so fast, you guys. So top right. Let me see. Can I see it through here? Through my phone? No, because I can't find the hole. Okay, so then you take it here. I think I got it. Okay. And then the one hole. One hole only, guys. It's like a doctor doing surgery and they look into that little magnifier. You're just like, okay, can we not get near, anything vital? Nope, that's not all the way through, right? Is it all the way through? Okay, so go all the way. You didn't punch all the way through, right? So now you're there. So is that an X? I can't tell. Yeah, well, it's kind of off because I don't think I got the right hold. Let me look. No, it's fine. It actually is fine. Sorry, guys. Okay. Unless you can see what I'm doing over here, it's difficult. And then I think it's over one more. So always have your halo go. And then 2 holes. 2 holes, you guys. 2 holes over. And there's your X. Isn't that the coolest? All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. And I actually know how to go down and up and all that stuff. So I learned how to do down, up. I practiced all day, you guys, and I got it. So if you want to show me, if you want to show me, yes. Yes, if you want to show me. If you want me to show you how to do the up and down, let me know. So, because I would gladly do it because it was so much fun. All right, guys, I hope you learned something. Bye.